What's up everybody, Remington from Impulse Creative, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about how to use some new calendar drop functionality in Drift. Now, Drift came out with the calendar tool for setting meetings, a while back, and it's been used in the chatbot playbooks, for a while now. They just recently added Drift for Sales, which allowed for you to actually drop calendar scheduling right into Gmail, and now they've created an added feature that allows for you to get a little bit more selective about your schedule. There's a couple reasons why I like this. Yes, I have availability this week. Do I necessarily want to give that availability to a prospect that I'm about to send an email to? So more often than not, you're going to say, here's my schedule. Please schedule something for next week, instead of, giving them the availability that you design or want them to take. So Drift heard their users loud and clear. They've seen how people are utilizing this tool, and what they've done is they've given you, the user, more control over your calendar now with this new calendar drop feature. So if we jump into my email, you'll see I have the Drift Chrome plugin installed, and you've got the option here to insert the default Drift meeting. Now, if you click insert the default, you see it's just going to drop it right into your email. It's not actually going to give you the features. But if you hit the up arrow right here, you can choose any one of the meeting types, and then it gives you the option to choose the days of the week that you would like to present times. So for instance, it's showing general availability right now. I could click the 22nd, the 27th, and the 29th and say, feel free to take any of these 3 days, and I could insert my availability. Of course, now it shows those 3 days that I selected and makes it so that people can choose times that work for them within that time frame. So this feature, while very simple, is amazing. Thank you so much. And now what you can do is have more control over your calendar scheduling. That's it for today's tutorial. I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. If you have any questions about conversational marketing, you have questions about Drift, please feel free to reach out to me or my team at Impulse Creative. If you want to see other tutorials we've done for Drift, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our daily tutorial videos, you can go ahead and you can do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.